How to redeem your Tango gift card online. What is up everyone? In this tutorial, I'll show you guys how to easily redeem your Tango gift card. First thing first, go ahead and open up your web browser and then simply go to the search bar and search for Tango gift card redeem. Now from here, go to this tangocard.com, click on it. And once you have done that, you should be able to log into your account. Now, in order to redeem your gift card, you can just go ahead and click on this option, redeem your gift card or prepaid card. And if you've received a branded gift card like Target or prepaid card, like Visa or MasterCard through email or text, you can find the instruction included right here for the reward message. So click on this Help Center option. Now, if you want to see how the card looks, you can click on this Get a Demo to see physical options, and then click on the first name here, enter your name, and then from here, enter your last name, enter your email, then enter your company name. So from here, what you can do is select what kind of card you want, and then click on Submit. So you'll get a demo card. And in order to redeem it, you might get an email link, so you can just click on it. And after you've clicked on it, what you can do is access the Tango Card's website, provided with the redemption link to access the card website. So once you have the link, you can select what kind of card you want. Like there, you can choose from preferred gift cards like Amazon or Visa card, and then simply redeem it on your account. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.